Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to turn on or turn off timer on Snapchat. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, just simply open Snapchat here. Now let me show you here. I want to take a picture. As you can see guys, it's not here timer. So how can you turn it on? Just simply tap on plus icon. And as you can see guys, showing here timer option, just simply tap on this. Now let me show you here. Here is the timer. So the timer is enabled here. So how can you disable it? Just simply tap on this icon again like this. Now as you can see guys, here's your video timer. If you want to increase the timers, then you can do from here. Okay guys, and if you want to turn it off, just simply tap on cancel. So let me show you here. Timer is turned off, as you can see guys. If you want to turn it on again, just simply tap on plus, tap on timer. Now let me show you here. Here it's your timer. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.